This is not a surveillance drive. We're going from pretty much a regular 1 terabyte drive to a surveillance 2 terabyte drives. The huge difference is going to be performance, because they are surveillance drives are designed for continuous write and read, so they're going to be quicker when they want to view and rewind recordings and all that. It's going to respond a lot better, and they're going to get right now at 1080p, which are the cameras are 1080p. On that 1 terabyte, they're getting about 15 days of continuous recording and motion detection. Ubiquity does a really good job at managing that. Only records when it needs to, when it detects, and when it doesn't detect, it stops.